We are at maximum load on winch 3.
Copy that. Maintain current tension and proceed slowly. Hold position. Slow descent to 5 meters.
Copy that. Descending to 5.
Touchdown confirmed. Mission complete. All stations, confirm green status for departure.
Status green. Strap secured, Captain.
Roger that. Underway.
They said it was impossible. But today, ensure the leading edge is completely smooth before applying the sealant.
Understood, Flight Sergeant. We are maintaining the micron tolerance.
The readings here are well within tolerance. We are cleared for recoding.
Agreed. The structure is perfectly sound.
Look closely here by the intake. This mysterious military symbol confirms the prototype status of the JF-17 Thunder.
The ultrasonic scan confirms a hairline fracture at coordinate Delta 7.
We need to initiate the replacement protocol immediately.
As you can see, the damage is severe. We'll start by stabilizing the wing joint before we attempt to fit the new panels.
Look at this wiring harness. It's a nightmare.
We have to replace every single loom if we want the digital overhaul.
Adjust the fuel flow regulator right here.
Understood. I'll recalibrate it immediately.
The structural integrity looks good here, Rashid.
Yes, calibrating the final sequence now. We are on schedule.
The dramatic reveal confirms our fears. The JF-17 sustained catastrophic foreign object damage, rendering these turbine blades useless. The JF-17 Thunderbolt requires absolute precision. Every one of the 80 turbine blades is
What we've uncovered here is a rare earth ceramic lining.
an engineering secret that changes the calculus for the JF-17.
JF-17 Thunder will respond to pilot inputs with lightning speed.
All parameters nominal. Go for ignition.
Copy that. Ignition sequence start. Sequence start confirmed. Locking clamps engaged. System check is green. In a historic moment today, the JF-17 Invincible entered the massive dry dock, where the restoration will begin.
Systems check complete. Power levels optimal. Thrust output 105%. Performance metrics exceeding factory specifications.
Predictive analysis complete. Engaging autonomous flight stabilization. Executing high G split S maneuver. All systems nominal.
For the first time in years, the JF-17 Thunder stands on its own wheels, a true testament to the dedication of our engineers. From the ocean floor to an engineering miracle, the rebirth of the JF-17 Thunder is complete.
Pylon secure. Confirm connection status.
All green, Alpha. Missile initialized.
Engineering verification is complete. The JF-17 is fully cleared for service.
Ready for takeoff. Mission accomplished.
Final checks complete. Ready for departure.
Roger that. Cleared for spool up.
Classified clearance approved. Mission authorization granted. You are clear for takeoff.
Copy that, Tower. Taking off. Afterburner engaged. Maximum thrust achieved. Systems optimal, sir. The JF-17 is performing beautifully.
Excellent. Maintain current parameters.
Sustained 9 Gs for 20 seconds. Flight computer holding steady.
Total success. The restoration is complete. A true technical victory and legendary rebirth for the JF-17 Thunder.
JF-17 Thunder is not just a plane. She's a miracle.
The restoration mission is complete. The JF-17 project is finished, marking the end of
JF-17 Thunder, no longer the ghost of the abyss. Pakistani fighter jet transformation complete. Identity restored.
The JF-17 Thunderbolt, guardian of the skies once more. The warrior reborn. Mission accomplished. A legendary journey from the rust of the ocean to the fire of the afterburner. The engineering miracle is complete.
We have proven even most classified JF-17 Thunder legends can be reborn.